I'm standing today in front of what is sure to be one of the best value properties for sale in Breckenridge, Minnesota at 308 Oregon Avenue. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home offers over 3,600 square feet of space, an attached garage, and heated shop. Come along with me as we explore this home. As you enter into the home off of the 32 by 24 attached 2-stall garage, you'll appreciate the sizable mudroom space. Continuing into this single-story home, you'll enjoy the open concept kitchen and dining area just steps away from the living room space with access to the front deck. The main level features 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with a recently updated master suite with private full bath. Moving to the lower level, you'll love the endless amount of space, including a family room, bedroom, 3/4 bath, storage area, and additional bonus rooms with a number of possible uses. Step out of the house as we move over to the detached 32 by 24 heated shop space, great for additional parking or to work on that project, hobby, or interest. The Breckenridge-Wahpeton area offers a low cost of living, great schools, access to healthcare, restaurants, retail, and great jobs. So if you're looking for an affordably priced home in a great community, you'll want to take a look at this property on Oregon Avenue in Breckenridge, Minnesota. I'm Andrew with the Andrew Yagi Real Estate Team of eXp Realty. Give us a call today to set up your private showing.